So I want to go over this problem because the way you solve this problem will help you with similar problems that you may see coming up on quizzes or exams. So what we're looking at is this problem. It starts off in tigers, both males and females have a diploid number of 38. And then I define what diploid number means. Diploid number is telling you how many chromosomes would be in a diploid cell. A typical body cell would be, it would be fair to assume that's what that means. So question A says a tiger cell in prophase 1 contains 38 chromosomes. And that's because a prophase 1 cell is starting off with a typical diploid number. That's a rule. Prophase 1 cell is always starting off with the full number of chromosomes. And the other rule is that those chromosomes are always in the replicated form because it's always going to be a chromosome replication prior to prophase 1. So when it asks, are those chromosomes in the monad or dyad form, because they're replicated chromosomes, then the answer is dyad form. There are 38 dyad form chromosomes in that cell, and the cell is diploid. How many chromosomes will there be in one product cell at the end of meiosis 1? The pattern is that meiosis 1 separates the sets of chromosomes into two product cells. So each of those product cells gets half of the total number of chromosomes that we started with at the beginning of meiosis. So each of those cells would have 19 chromosomes in a product cell. But the chromosomes are still in the dyad form. So 19 chromosomes. So the cell is haploid, but the chromosomes remain in the dyad form, in the replicated form with two sister chromatids per chromosome. Then the pattern is in meiosis 2, for each cell that goes through meiosis 2, those dyad chromosomes line up individually at the midline and the sister chromatids are pulled apart. So by the end of meiosis 2, each product cell has 19 chromosomes, so still a haploid cell, but the chromosomes are now in the monad form. So the pattern is that your starting cell is diploid with dyad chromosomes. A cell at the end of the first meiotic division, one cell would have a haploid chromosome number or be a haploid cell, in this case 19, but the chromosomes are still in the dyad form. In the second division, any one product cell at the end of the second division would have still 19 chromosomes, still a haploid cell, but now the chromosomes are in the monad form, the unreplicated form. And so the particular numbers in this example can be figured out, but the pattern remains the same no matter what. So you're applying the pattern to any particular question. And that's what you would need to know to be able to solve this question. So if you're having any confusion about what diploid and haploid mean compared to what dyad and monad mean, that's a really important question and a really important discussion that we need to have if you're still struggling with that. So this is the time to get some extra help. Come to office hours, send me a text. We can jump on Teams or just talk over text or email. So please let me know if you're still struggling with this.